The first day's competition is now complete. 5 o'clock, the boats are starting to come back. There's been some fantastic fish caught today. Some big fish, some big pike, some big zander, and some brilliant perch as well. So, as we can watch the boats coming back in, we've been able to track them on the leaderboard and on the GPS tracker, so we know where all the boats are. So shortly they'll be coming back in, mooring up, and then getting ready for this evening's festivities, and of course the initial prize giving. We've got daily prizes for the biggest perch, zander and pike. We've got daily prizes for the zone winners, but these anglers are fishing for the fast, furious and all action. These great predator fish in the Haring fleet they're brilliant fighting fish, and huge. I mean, some of the biggest perch, zander and pike, certainly in Europe. And it's great to see that today there have been some brilliant fish caught. I'm with a capture of the biggest pike today, and how big was it?
It was 1 meter and 10 centimeters.
1 meter 10 centimeters. Yes. Wow, that was great. And
good fish.
It's a good fish.
Yes, very nice.
And
yeah.
How long did it take you to land that one?
Exactly, I think 3 minutes.
You're crazy.
I wanted the fish because I catch the pike 5 minutes earlier, and it was gone.
Right.
It was lost.
Right. So do you think that was the same pike or a different one?
No.
A different one.
Yeah. A little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what type of bite did it give you?
Good bite. Yeah, really nice bite.
So what sort of bait were you using?
It was a jerky.
Yeah.
And a manta.
Okay.
Manta.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what happened to the end of your rod?
Yeah.
Just flat or boom?
Yeah, like this. Really hard.
As a competitor in this event, what would it mean for you to either win the event or to actually catch the biggest pike or biggest perch?
For me, the biggest pike.
Yeah?
I love it, yeah. The biggest pike. Yeah.
Well, so 2 days left to go.
Yeah.
And different zones each day. I mean, how are you going to approach that?
To fish again, and I do my best.
Excellent. Well, look, tomorrow's another day, a different zone, and another new challenge.